Some people actually say that it's boring to eat red cabbage. That means you haven't tried this particular recipe. Wait and watch this recipe to see how you can transform your red and white cabbage to a very healthy and more fibrous recipe that you would definitely want to try for your family, your kids, and everyone would love it. So the ingredients are very simple: the red cabbage and the white cabbage, that's all, and some oatmeal. So you have to like juice the cabbage or blend it and take the juice out of it. I actually made a juice video of cabbage and white cabbage and red cabbage, so I use this bulb to prepare this particular recipe. If you want to see how I juice this, then you can watch the previous video on this channel, the red and white cabbage video, or the juicing video. So I use the bulb from the juicing to actually make this particular healthy recipe. So just to tell you that you don't throw anything when you juice out the juice. While you're drinking the juice for weight loss, you're also eating more fibrous and more fiber dense recipe or meal. So I actually mix all of that together in one pot and then try to make it to homogeneously mix together and come together with both the white and the red cabbage. Then I had already boiled some water at the side, so I added a little bit of water just to give the fluids that will be able to keep boiling or cook this cabbage till it is at the right consistency. As soon as you add the hot water, you realize that it starts cooking immediately. So try as much as possible to mix that at this point as vigorously as you can. Then next you add some powdered oatmeal. It depends on you. You can use instant oats or whatever oatmeal flour that you have. It works very well. The reason for the oatmeal is to act as a binder and make this fufu very good and stick together and give the consistency of fufu that you need. So if you're a fufu lover and you want to eat more healthy food but while enjoying your fufu, then this particular recipe is definitely for you. And if you don't even like fufu and you want to eat a healthy variation of cabbage, because many people feel that it's boring to eat the salads, the red cabbage salad and the white cabbage salad, and if you're someone who is in that category, then this is good for you. If you're diabetic, you're looking to lose weight, if you have hormonal imbalance, the recipe is good for you. It is definitely very advisable for everybody because this is really good. It's packed with fiber and will help your gut very well to like you don't need any other laxative to actually help you with constipation. If you're really prone to bloating, then this recipe is equally good for you. So the quantity of oatmeal added is just like 2.5 cups of this particular cups I am actually using, and then you spread it all in, and the quantity wasn't much, it was just 2.5 cups, so I added all of that in with that little water I already added. Then I'll add a little bit more of hot water. You can use cold water, but I decided to use the hot water. It makes it more easier to cook it and give the consistency immediately. You see the effect immediately than with the cold water. That's why I cooked the cold water. I boiled some cold water first before I started making this particular recipe. So at this point, you just have to mix everything. Let the oatmeal mix into the cabbage properly and make sure that everything is homogeneously mixed together. And you see the binding process has started, is giving the fufu vibe and stuff like that. It's already giving the consistency that we need for fufu. This fufu is very soft, very good and easy to make. It doesn't take you too much time. Within 6-7 minutes your fufu is ready. Oats doesn't take time to cook and cabbage doesn't take time to cook as well, so you don't need to waste a ton of time. But make sure that at this stage your stove should be at a low heat as much as possible. If not, you only burn. So I went in with some more hot water to boil it until it is ready for like 2 minutes, and then this recipe is ready. voila, after 2 minutes I took it out and then mix it all together again, and there you go, you have your healthy recipe ready. So let's dive right into the health benefits of all the ingredients. So let's start with the red cabbage. Red cabbage is very rich in antioxidants like anthocyanins that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. It is equally high in vitamin C. It boosts immunity and skin health, and also supports heart health and helps balance cholesterol levels. It also contains fiber and phytonutrients that aid in detoxification and digestion. So now we go right into the white cabbage. White cabbage is great for digestion as well due to its high fiber content. So it also helps reduce bloating and supports gut health. It's equally low in calories, making it perfect for weight loss and for weight loss diet. It also contains vitamin K for bone health and vitamin C for immune support. Then we also have the oatmeal. Oatmeal, it acts as a natural binder and adds creaminess to the fufu, and also it is rich in beta glucan, which also helps to lower cholesterol level and maintain blood sugar. It keeps you full longer and supports weight management. It provides low release energy and supports a healthy digestion. So all of these, you can see that every other ingredient helps in gut health and maintaining your gut and help you to speed up digestion. And because it helps to speed up digestion, also it contains high amount of fiber that makes you full for a long time. Fiber takes a little bit longer time to actually properly digest. So in that aspect, it keeps you full for a longer time and you will not snack in between your meals. So this is the healthy variation of fufu. If you someone who really like to eat fufu and you don't want to give up on your fufu, then this recipe is definitely a must try. If you have watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, and like and share this video to as many people as possible. So whether you're looking to just balance your weight, maintain your weight, lose weight, to balance your hormones, or just wanting a healthy variation of fufu, or want to eat a lower calorie food, then this recipe is definitely for you. And I've made a juicing video of this cabbage video on this channel, so do well to scroll right into this channel and watch the juicing video. And thanks for watching this video up to this moment, and let's see the outcome of this particular fufu recipe. I actually paired this with some good arrow that I just actually cooked that same day, and look at that, it is so amazing. And this arrow is very rich as well. If you want to see the recipe of how I made this arrow, it is simply packed with vegetables, spinach, and so on. So can you imagine eating cabbage and spinach? You can imagine how your gut is going to be amazed with this particular recipe. So if you're trying this recipe, write down below if you'll be trying this recipe. Till we meet in our next video. Bye.